Factory-ZhenJiang Hongda Commodity Company Limited is established in 2005, with the factory building area of 4,000 square meters. The company is located in Zhenjiang City, Jiangsu Province, with convenient transportation access. ZhenJiang Hongda Commodity Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of twist ties and bag closure. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. The company has passed ISO 9001-2015 certification, and now it has 2 remarks and some patents. Now the company has 15 producing lines, and daily producing capacity of the twist ties is 50 million pieces. Main products include paper twist ties, metallic twist ties, plastic twist ties, spool twist ties, tin ties, bread clips, and label twist ties. The products are widely used in gardening, agriculture, bakery, gifts packaging, industry, and etc. We also accept OEM and ODM order. Our twist ties serious products have been exporting to many countries and regions, such as North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Oceania, Mideast, Eastern Asia, Western Europe, and South Asia. We believe our quality and service will bring success to each customer. We sincerely welcome your cooperation and look forward to building business relationship with you.